Hello and welcome to day 100 of Bedtime Welsh. 100! We made it! 100! Yay! No waves then, Harrod? Yeah. And well done you for having done 100 of these, because that's brilliant. And you've done some really, really fantastic work. So huge congratulations to you. And of course, because it's the 100th, we've got to give you some monsters. We've got to try and wrap everything up as much as we can of everything we've done to squeeze into this session. So you can always just come back here and practice easily to get back up to speed anytime you want to. So the monsters for today are, let's start with, I'm going to start feeling nervous. That's not too monstrous, that's reasonably okay. I'm going to start feeling nervous.
Dwi'n mynd i ddechrau teimlo'n nerfus.
Dwi'n mynd i ddechrau teimlo'n nerfus. If you ask me what the answer is, that's a bit trickier. If you ask me what the answer is.
Os ti'n gofyn i mi beth ydi'r ateb.
Os ti'n or os wyt ti'n gofyn i mi beth ydi'r ateb. Okay, let's kick it up again now. Do you want to play something interesting with me today, or do you need to work more?
Wyt ti isio chwarae rhywbeth diddorol hefo fi heddiw, neu wyt ti angen gweithio mwy?
Da iawn, da iawn. Wyt ti isio chwarae rhywbeth diddorol efo fi heddiw, neu wyt ti angen gweithio mwy? And now, last one, huge, super big, monstrous one. I want to speak Welsh with you now, but I can't remember what I wanted to say.
Dwi isio siarad Cymraeg hefo chdi rŵan, ond fedra I ddim cofio beth o'n I isio dweud.
Da iawn, da iawn. Dwi isio siarad Cymraeg efo chdi rŵan, ond fedra I ddim cofio beth o'n I isio deud. Well done. Well done. Huge congratulations. Have we got a clap for everybody who's been learning with you? Well done you. Because you've done 100 of these. That's fantastic. And maybe we should have a little chat about doing some more. Would you like to do some more? Should we do some more after 100? Let's see. We're going to pop into Bedtime Welsh and we're going to see if you would like some more. And if you do, come into Bedtime Welsh and let us know. Okay? We'll see you later. Hwyl am y tro.
Ta-ra!